Hello guys, this is Gökhan from BFT Packaging. Today I would like to talk about the boxes, chicken boxes, international, well-known by its unique name FC0, FC1 and FC3 boxes. They're very suitable for carrying food because they're made by the Bristol cardboard, or Chromie cardboard is a bit low quality, but I suggest you to use the Bristol cardboard, which is more shiny, looks more hygienic. Actually it has three sizes, as I mentioned: the small size FC0, medium size FC1 and the big size FC3. About the print options, this is offset printing technique, so any kind of print without the limitation of color is possible. For example, the food pictures can be applied on the boxes very easily. These boxes are one unique feature, which is they come flat. They come like this, so it's very important for logistic purposes as well as the warehousing in the warehouse or in the restaurant, because under the cashiers in fast food chains, the space is everything. So when they come like this as flat, so it's easy, in 1 second it become ready to put the food inside. So there are a couple more features of these boxes, which is for example, you can put, if you put two hot items like fried chicken, nuggets, wings, that kind of stuff inside, we can put the holes wherever you want, so to transfer the steam outside of the box is possible. Also, we can make small adjustments in the lid, so which is, for example, this one is has a lock mechanism here, so it's you have to pull a little bit more with more power to open the lid. This box is also used in the hamburger stores. Some of the burger stores, burger chains, they put the burger on one side and the French fries on the other side. It's possible to use. So the thing is, actually you have to decide on the box size, and then any artwork can be applied on it, and we can help you to manufacture your brand, your logo on it. So if you have any kind of comments, any questions about these boxes, please let me know. I will try to help as much as I can. Have a great day.